Now, after finalizing the ICA weight, we will have the data ready to be analyzed, and the results can be generated. The channels per frame available, frame per epoch, the epochs, events, sampling rate, referencing is available, channel location, ICA weight. Now we will check the results. We have different type of results, can be plotted, channel ERPs, channel properties, ERP image, spectra and maps. As we can see here, it will generate the result as a topography, and in the same time the frequency band. We can plot the ERP map series as a 3D. As we can see here, it will be in this way, so we can generate the data. As we can see here, this is for one subject as a 3D. Okay, after finalizing the same process on all the subjects, now we can do the grouping average for all the subjects. So we will do the same process for all the subjects, then we will import all the data sets together, and we will create a study using all loaded data sets. After creating the study, we will have a ready study, as we can see here. So the study is now ready for 13 subjects. As we mentioned, the data that we got from the data set, and number of conditions 1 per subject, number of session 1 per subject, number of groups, epoch consistency should be yes, if no the data will not be processed, channel location should be yes, and the status of the ICA should be ready to pre-cluster. Now we can do all the pre-computation, the plotting for the group averaging. Now, for example, we can do plot channel. As we can see here, all the channel, all the electrodes of the subjects, and all the subjects are mentioned here. So we can choose all the subjects and plot, for example, F1 electrode, plot ERP. We will got the average result for 13 subjects for their F1 electrode. This is the response of the oddball, and this is the standard without the oddball response. Now, if we want to get, for example, the topography, we should choose first the time range, for example, from 300 to 500, and we will plot average topography to get the topography for all the electrodes for all the subjects. Then we'll plot it, and as we can see here, this is the average for all the 13 subjects as a topography map for all the channel locations from 300 to 500 millisecond. This is the response when the oddball stimulated the responses in their brain, and this is the standard. We can see the difference between both topography, and there are many different plots we can generate to include in our reports and to interpolate. Thank you very much. Hope everything is clear, and Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.